Say goodbye to the hassle of scanning each unit twice. With Skublox's pick-to-light integration with Skustack, you can pick and sort items with ease. Effortlessly take care of your fulfillment with a simple workflow that boosts your efficiency and helps you get more orders out the door faster. Get started by creating your pick-to-light wall in the Skublox Hub app. Head to the Picking tab in Skustack, tap the search icon in the Pick-to-Light section and select your mobile Skublox wall. Enter your Picklist ID, grab the item you need to pick. Choose the right quantity. Scan it, and tap the bin you're moving it from. Watch in amazement as the slot on the wall lights up. Check the Skublox Hub to see the item has magically appeared on the wall, ready to be sorted. To finish the sort, simply scan the Skublox sorting barcode in Skustack and watch as the product is transferred to the picking bin and marked as sorted. One pick, one sort, all done in a flash. Let your picking bin effortlessly sort for you and eliminate the extra steps in your workflow.